You ready? Are you filming this?
Yes, I am.
Okay, this is the cinnamon challenge. But instead of using spoonfuls, we're using cupfuls.
You already explained this in the previous one, you know.
Okay,
Shut
ready?
up. Shut up.
Should I go first?
Yeah, I'm hopeless.
Okay, open it. Let's take it. Open this. So you ready?
Oh, a video, recording a video.
Hey.
So look this. Okay, look how much. Okay, ready?
Go grab a water bottle, it's on.
I don't need one.
1, 2, 3.
Fucking idiot. How big is your penis, John?
You can just spit water into a trash can.
Yeah, seriously. My trash can, bro. There's cinnamon all over the thing. Should I
Why pouring water into it?
I'll go have the water just coming out of the bottle and straight into the bag.
Oh my god. Why are you just pouring water in there?
I need one more. That's so nasty.
You're so stupid.
Right.
Right, Adam?
I'll take this too, okay?
Okay, John, are you good with this? Are you done with this bag?
Just to show you, look at the bottom of the bag. Just look at this. This is gross. He's gonna be tasting it for the next 2 hours.
I don't think I'll do this.
You know what, Adam? You have, or you just $5 gone.
It's whatever.
God, it's so nasty.
I'll do it later.
Just like, oh, let's do the antique cars first, and then we'll do that.
That's so
You
nasty.
done with this bag?
I'm finished, yeah.
Okay. I'll go dispose of this.
Dude, I dare you to just go put it in somebody else's trash can. Just throw it in
Hey,
there.
record me. I'm gonna go whip it into some guy's yard.
Oh my god, dude, that's like illegal.
I don't care. Record me.
I have recorded you.
Oh, there's water here.
You can't do it in that guy's yard. You have to do it in someone else's. That's my yard. How much ass do you? You have to clean it all up, Adam.
Pause right now. It can't be too long.